In last video, I talked about how to connect database using Mongoose. In this video, I'll define a schema using Mongoose. By this schema, you can specify a collection or a model. For example, what types of field you can add and what is their data type. Mongoose provides us a schema instance method. So I'll call this instance method first. Mongoose.schema. This schema instance method return as an instance. So let's store it in a variable const student schema is equals to mongoose.schema. This schema instance method expects an object. The key of this object refer as database document field and the value of this object refer as database document field data type. For example, I'll store name, email, age and department again. Name, its data type is string. Email, its data type is also string. Age, its data type is number. For example, if you try to set string value for age, then it will throw us an error. And finally, department, which is also string. After that, I'll create a database model reference. Mongoose provides us model method, mongoose.model. It expects two parameters. First parameter is model name. For example, I will set model name as student. One point you should always keep in your mind, whatever you set the model name, it always makes in plural form. For example, if you set student, then in database, model name should be students. Alright, I'll show you in this next video. And the second parameter is schema instance that I created some times ago. So I'll pass schema instance. This mongoose.model method return as a model. So let's store it in a variable. I'll set the model name student is equals to mongoose.model, but it is capitalized as it's a convention. By this student model, now you can add, update, delete or get data from database. You can just imagine it simply a collection. By this collection, you can add student, update student, delete student and get student from database. So that's all for this lecture. From next video, I'll start talking about how to add data, update data, delete data or get data, etc. So see you in the next video.